So the Lake Minnetonka Klondike Derby dog sled race started back in 2020 and had their first annual out here on Lake Minnetonka. They took a year off because of the COVID pandemic and started again this year for their second annual on Lake Minnetonka. My name is Lieutenant Brett Klein, the Hennepin County Water Patrol Unit. Yeah, we see crowds in excess of 16 to 20,000 people for this Klondike dog sled race. The City of Excelsior does a great job both on and off the ice in Lake Minnetonka, the surrounding areas. Most of these mushers that are racing out here on Lake Minnetonka are going to participate in the Iditarod. These people are coming from the United States and Canada and probably all over the world. Yeah, a lot of people come for these events, so we're trying to be out here as a water patrol unit to keep them safe and allow them to have fun. This event especially is great for our Special Deputy volunteer program. Gives them the opportunity to get out here on our equipment, on our snowmobiles, our four-wheelers, our side-by-side ATVs. We place them right inside the race, and these guys are helping with medical at the medical tent. They're helping with crowd control and traffic control in the City of Excelsior. And we have about 12 or so volunteers that are doing a mesh video system where they can have a live feed directly on a channel for the race event coordinators and the sheriff's office. This event has the potential to, expose these volunteers to numerous things of medicals, accidents, and they also just get them out into the public so they can be seen, be heard, and have a great time. Our special deputies come from a variety of backgrounds. They may have an office job, or plumber, or machinists, but out here on this weekend, they're volunteering their time to help the community and keep the citizens of Hennepin County safe.